Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a small pumpkin, some water, and your preferred sweetener. Don't forget essential spices such as ground cinnamon and nutmeg to enhance the flavor. Make sure you have a reliable blender, a fine mesh sieve for straining, and a saucepan ready for the next steps. This recipe is straightforward and yields a delicious, creamy beverage. Now, let's prepare the pumpkin. Carefully cut your pumpkin into small, uniform pieces, removing the seeds and stringy bits. Spread these pieces evenly on a baking sheet. Roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until they are tender. Once roasted, it's crucial to let the pumpkin cool completely before moving on. This step brings out the natural sweetness and deepens the flavor of your milk. With your pumpkin cooled, it's time to blend. Transfer the roasted pumpkin pieces into your blender. Add about 3 cups of water, along with a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Blend everything on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. Next, pour the blended liquid through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag into a clean bowl, pressing to extract all the liquid. This ensures a silky smooth texture. Finally, let's sweeten and serve your homemade pumpkin milk. Add your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, to taste. Start with a tablespoon and adjust as needed. Stir well to combine. For the best flavor and consistency, chill the pumpkin milk in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. It's wonderful served cold, or you can gently warm it for a cozy treat. And for more great resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pumpkin milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.